Hello, everyone. I will be walking you through our Onfinity attendance management system. It features real-time attendance capture, API integration, and seamless integration with leave and payroll, streamlining HR workflow by automatically capturing working hours, overtime, and leave data for salary calculations. We'll explore the biometric integration, which syncs real-time data across devices, and the attendance dashboard, providing instant insights and alerts for missed punches, late arrivals, or early departures. The system enables seamless shift planning, whether daily or monthly, and allows employees to request overtime and claim pay through a structured process. Our mobile app enables field and remote teams to check in from anywhere, ensuring accurate work hour tracking. Our system also generates attendance master reports for smooth audits. Let's take a look at the mobile app. One of its key features is the ability to punch in directly from your phone. This is useful when you're not at your desk. With the Onfinity Attendance app, you can log your attendance from anywhere, whether you're at a client site, in the field, or working from home. The app displays your shift details and roster in one place, so you can easily check your working days and holidays. You can also track your daily punches and review your attendance summary at the end of the month. Once you're logged in, you'll see the attendance folder. From here, you can punch in and check your assigned shift for the day. You'll see a punch in button that allows you to log your attendance. After you've punched in, you can view your daily punch records in the My Attendance section. This shows the exact time you punched in and out each day. There's also a monthly attendance summary that breaks down your total worked hours, overtime, week offs, leave, and holidays. If an employee clicks on a record, they can view their shift details, including recorded punches, in and out times, and any half-day leave information. The fourth view allows them to check their pre-planned roster, which shows the shifts they're scheduled to work. From here, they can view their weekly and monthly roster plan. Now let's dive into the system. We'll start with the login page, where users can securely access the attendance system. I'll log in as an HR executive to show you around. After logging in, we're taken to the homepage, which displays a dashboard. The dashboard gives us an overview of employee attendance, showing who's present, absent, or on leave. We can also see a summary of current and previous month's attendance. Next, I'll navigate to the HR management folder. Inside, we have various modules, including general setup, work management, leave management, claim, and attendance. As an HR executive, I have access to all of these. Under the attendance menu, there are two sections: transactions and reports. In transactions, we have the shift management screen, where I can set shifts for employees directly. After selecting the organization, I can choose an employee and assign a shift to them. I can then select a specific date and choose a shift slot. These shift slots can be edited as needed. I can set the shift to be manually assigned for alternate days, full weeks, alternate weeks, the full month, or every day. Once I've made my selections, I can publish the record so that the employee can view it on their mobile app. Moving on, we have the Get Attendance Log screen. If we don't have biometric integration set up, we can manually upload attendance logs using a text file. There are two related screens: Admin Attendance Log and View Attendance Log. The View Attendance screen shows attendance data from various sources, including the mobile app, biometric devices, and uploaded text files. If there's any missing attendance data, we can use the Admin Attendance Log to add it manually. On this screen, I can create a new attendance record and enter the necessary details, such as employee number, date, and shift date. After all the attendance data is accounted for, we can generate a summary from the Employee Attendance Summary screen. This screen is essentially the main page for attendance summary. From here, I can click a button to create an attendance summary, view time cards, and view attendance logs. Now let's take a look at the dashboards. Here we can see the current status of employee attendance. We can also use the advanced search feature to get more detailed information. We also have reports related to attendance summaries, which can be generated from this view. To create a new attendance summary, we need to select a timesheet and time period, and then generate the summary. Once that's done, the attendance log will be updated with information on which employees are present, absent, on leave, or have a week off or holiday. We can also view the daily log for each employee in the second tab. From the attendance summary home screen, we can transfer the attendance data to the time card. Once the transfer is complete, the data will be available on the time card screen. This screen provides a useful view of the employee attendance summary and status. On the time card screen, we can create a new time card for an employee directly, or transfer it from the attendance summary. The employee's status will also be displayed as approved, in progress, or rejected. If an employee submits their time card through the ESS with a workflow approval, rejection, or in progress status, it will be reflected here accordingly. After transferring the time card, we need to generate the attendance batch, which is used for payroll processing. To do this, we select the timesheet, time period, enter a batch name, choose the organization, and select the batch type. Once we've made these selections, we click OK. The Generate Attendance screen is where the batch is created, and the data is sent to the pre-payroll activity section. When payroll processing starts, the HR user validates the batch and transfers the record to the payroll calculation. Now, let's look at the report section. We have several reports available, including the Unsettled Punches report, Attendance Master report, Overtime Hours report, and Late In and Early Out report. Let's take a closer look at the Unsettled Punches report. This report shows punches that are either single punches in a day or an odd number of punches. It helps identify missed punches and discrepancies in the attendance record. Next, we have the Attendance Master report. This report provides a monthly summary of attendance, including daily records of employee attendance, leave, and other related details. We can use this report to get a comprehensive view of employee attendance over a given period. This report gives us a detailed overview of attendance patterns. We can view the monthly summary and day-to-day attendance for an employee with a unique color identifier. Next, let's look at the Late In and Early Out report. The Late In and Early Out report shows when employees arrive late or leave early compared to their scheduled timing. It helps us track punctuality and identify attendance patterns. If an employee is late in and early out, it's highlighted in red. Moving on, we have the Overtime Hours report. This report breaks down the extra hours worked by employees beyond their scheduled shift. Overtime hours are highlighted in blue. These reports provide us with a way to monitor and manage attendance. That's the end of our walkthrough of the attendance management system. We've covered shift assignment, attendance logs, payroll integration, and reporting. I hope this walkthrough has provided a clear understanding of attendance management process. Thank you.